Good morning, Orlando.
And now for our bi-weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, attorney Tom Olsen. This is Olsen on Law.
Alan Spector here, and after a day off for the holiday on Tuesday, Olsen on Law returns today with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olsen. Good morning, Tom. Tom is there. I see his mouth moving.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
See, he's there. He was just extending the holiday, you know. He just needed another extra 10 seconds off. Our topic this morning, Tom, we've got big changes to alimony laws here in Florida. Now, Governor DeSantis just signed a measure that will overhaul the state's alimony laws. And up until now, how was alimony determined when someone got divorced?
Alan, there was very little guidance given to judges either by statute or by case law. So how much alimony you paid had something to do with what judge happened to be assigned to your case and what kind of mood they happened to be in on the day it was determined.
All right, so let's get to the topic. What are some of the big changes to Florida's alimony laws?
First and foremost, it did away with permanent alimony, where you were obligated to pay your former spouse alimony until the day they died. This was important to the paying spouse because it often prevented them from ever retiring.
Now, is this just for new divorces, or does this also apply to all previous divorce cases?
Alan, it applies to both. So if you have previously been ordered to pay permanent alimony, you can now ask the court to change that when you are ready to retire.
Important question here. How is the amount of alimony determined?
Previously, there was very little guidance given to judges either by statute or by case law, but now there is some clear guidance that is based on the length of the marriage and the income differences between the spouses.
Interesting. If you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be more than happy to answer them on the Olsen on Law show that is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. Don't forget, you can catch the Zoom version of Tom and me on our social media platforms. Tom, as always, thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for